It's a dark match. Come on. This match is going on YouTube. It needs to be at lights.
Let's do a firefly match.
Pay your bills. Pay your bills. Pay your utility bill. Flash.
Taxes backstage.
CPA, shut off the lights. No.
Or maybe I'll have
WS has no more lights. He can't afford. Clyde's paying the bill.
Federation's bankrupt.
This is gonna be awesome.
This is so fun.
The lights went out. That's so cool.
I know.
How did the lights go out anyway?
I have no idea.
What are you singing? What are you singing? What are you singing? What are they singing?
I don't know what he said. The lights are coming. The red lights. It's like Kane's coming out.
Back online. No, turn off the lights again.
We want a dark match.
Guys, turn off the lights.
Put him away, Habib. Go, Habib. RKO Habib. It's a big knee to the stomach. That's it. RKO Habib. RKO the ref. RKO the ref.
Attack the ref.
Bring out Dave. Bring out Dave.
Who's Dave?
Dave Adams, the ring announcer. Where's Dave? The ring announcer. The guy who comes out ringing out? Yeah. He's funny.
He is. He always says about the ticket.
Yeah, like merchandise, yeah.
That's not in your head. And the Macintosh. And the next show. And your back.
Hit him.
Yeah.
No. Come on, ref. How did you see that, ref? It's dark.